Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download and install HeadBall 2 on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store on your Android. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search button at the bottom right and then go to the search box at the top and type in HeadBall 2. In the search result, look for this application and then tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Wait for a couple of minutes and then you should be able to download and install HeadBall 2 and enjoy playing. That's how you easily download HeadBall 2 on Android in just a couple of minutes. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.